So here I am at the Funicular in the heart of Guanajuato. Now I'm here for two reasons. One, this is the quickest way to get to the top of the mountain, and I'd much rather walk down than walk up. But two, the locals told me that there's a beautiful view at the top here, and I'm sure that's gonna be the case. But if we're talking about photography, we're talking about capturing it all. I wanna capture the experience. Also, when we talk about the experience, the journey is the destination, right? So what we wanna capture is not just that beautiful view at the top, I wanna capture the journey along the way. Now, I think it's gonna be a short ride. It's not a very long funicular, but I still don't even wanna capture 1 minute of video. That's gonna be too long. We don't need more than 5 or 10 seconds. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna capture a time lapse. I'm gonna try and get it in a way that captures the whole ride. This way it's gonna shorten that ride up to maybe 5 or 10 seconds, and then we can move on to get other shots. Let's see how that goes. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna try and get the most stable footage I can, and this little handheld gimbal is gonna make a really big difference in just trying to make things a little bit more steady, because I do have a feeling that this ride's gonna be just a little bit bumpy. Opening up my camera app here, all you have to do is swipe down a few times, and that's gonna take me to my time-lapse mode. I'm gonna choose my super wide angle, and now I'm gonna hit the time-lapse mode here. The super wide should give me just a little bit more information on the bottom and the top of the screen and give me a nice expansive view of this whole city if we do this right. Now, I'm gonna keep this as stable as I possibly can, and this gimbal you're gonna see is just keeping it very, very smooth. A little bit more of the city is facing off to the left, so I just want to show as much as this city skyline as possible. And here we go, as we clear that tree, this is such a beautiful, beautiful day. It's a beautiful shot, and the exposure is pretty much spot on. The focus is going to be always spot on because we're, one, so far away, but two, we're also using our ultra wide angle, meaning that the ultra wide angle is gonna keep our focus pretty much infinite. So, with that said, all you have to do is keep this as stable and steady as possible, and I think this is gonna look really cool in the final time lapse. This is almost like a hyperlapse. Now, I'm not moving with my legs, but I am moving because this whole funicular is moving. So this is more of a hyperlapse, even though we're using the time lapse mode. And that's it. It's actually that short of a ride. It's already over. That was probably around a minute or so. Really short ride, but look at the difference in the view we get from up here. This is absolutely beautiful up here. So we're slowing down, but we didn't stop yet. So I'm gonna keep my gimbal focused right in the scene here. Try not to move it. Now it is gonna slow down a little bit. It might be a little bit noticeable in that final hyperlapse, but I still think it's gonna be worth it to capture all of the footage. Now that we came to a full stop, I'm gonna wait just a couple seconds here to finalize that hyperlapse. Then I'm gonna hit that stop button. Perfect. What a beautiful ride, and what a fun way to get to the top of a mountain. Now let's take a look at our footage and see what we got. I'm gonna open up my Photos app here, and I'm gonna hit this play icon and look at this. This is absolutely stunning. The exposure is spot on, the color is absolutely beautiful, and what a great way to capture such a gorgeous scene of the city skyline. The hyperlapse just kind of works in our favor here to take what was like a minute, minute and a half ride and compress it into roughly, I think it was a little bit less than 10 seconds. That's all we need for a final clip. Compressed just keeps your audience more engaged with your final footage. Okay, let's go explore the rest of this area and see what we can get. This video was a free preview of my Capture It All online course. In this course, you'll discover how to use your iPhone to literally capture everything that's happening around you. We'll talk about composition, storytelling, timing, photographing people, recording videos, time lapses, flying a drone, and so much more. If you'd like to use your iPhone to its fullest potential, please take a look at the full version of Capture It All. You'll find the link in the description right next to this video. So click on that link right now and I'll see you inside the full version of the course.